saw the moon in a coffee cup, swirling slow as the world wakes up. Your name's a rhythm I can't unhear. It lingers soft like it's always near. The shadows dancing on a velvet floor. The clock don't tick like it did before. Your echo hums in the space between the weightless steps of a waking dream. I'm drifting in the glow of you. Every breath's a lighter hue. The sky bends low where our hearts collide, and I'll float in the tide you provide. The city hums like it's half asleep. Your laughter curls through the quiet streets.